3. No good. Renzi. Ball lost. Rebound picked up by Aranzazo. JJ. Gives it up to Reducto. Balik kay JJ. JJ for 3.
Oh!
Wow! And Ronald
Grabe.
Tubid will let his players play. No
Ang bigat
timeout.
pa 3 points na yun. Para kay Coach Egay, ha?
Aranzazo. Bernardo calmly hits the first. But again, even if he makes this free throw, may timeout pa ang Fire Chief na dalawa.
Pwede pa.
Pwede pa to. Let's see if he misses or makes the free throw here. Bernardo makes the free throw. Nagbigay na tayo ng date, nagbigay na tayo ng lokasyon, nagbigay na tayo 10 koponan na magtatapat-tapat. Timeout situation natin, 1 timeout apiece for both squads. Let's see how things will go here. Todok to De La Cuesta. The 3 ball, no good. Rebound by Aranzazo. And that will be it as the tropang BPD Trading Sea Lions keep their unblemished record intact at panalo sila dito, taking home their 2nd straight victory.
Kung